integration 0 to 1 x times 1 minus x to the power n dx. The integration which we are going to solve here. So we can start with the taking either substitution form or using the property. So here I am going to start by using the property. So here the property is 0 to a fx dx, that can be written as 0 to a f a minus x dx. So here the concept is to replace x with a minus x, and here we can see the value of a is 1. So when we will rewrite the entire statement of integration, that would be I is equals to 0 to 1. In place of x, this is 1 minus x, and 1 minus x whole to the power n dx. Once again we will rewrite. So 0 to 1, 1 minus x, open the bracket here. So 1 minus 1 plus x to the power n dx. Here this is going to be cancelled. So 0 to 1, 1 minus x into x to the power n dx. This x to the power n is going to multiplied with 1 and x. So 0 to 1 x to the power n minus x to the power n plus 1 dx. Integration will be separated with both the terms. So we will get 0 to 1 x to the power n dx minus 0 to 1 x to the power n plus 1 dx. So that we will use direct formula for x to the power n. So x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1, minus here x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus 1. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. By substituting the lower and upper limit, we are getting 1 to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus 0 to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus of 1 to the power n plus 2 divided by n plus 2 minus 0 to the power n plus 2 divided by n plus 2. After simplification here, we are going to get 1 to the power 1 by n plus 1, and this would be 0, minus 1 by n plus 2. Taking LCM of n plus 1, n plus 2, that will be n plus 1, n plus 2. Cross multiply n plus 2 by 1, we will get n plus 2, minus cross multiplied of n plus 1, we are going to get n plus 1 minus of. So after simplification, open the bracket, n plus 2 minus n minus 1 divided by n plus 1, n plus 2. Here n will be cancelled out. Final answer would be 1 over n plus 1, n plus 2. This is going to be final answer.